Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Study Education. Here we discuss the topic related to education. Today in this video lesson we will discuss one of the important topic in education, that is assessment. So let's move on to discuss about the process of assessment in education. Our day-to-day teaching learning process, as a teacher, we may encounter with certain questions like how do we know the progress of the learner, how can we improve the teaching learning process, and how to make the teaching learning process more effective and useful one. These are the questions that need to be solved by the teacher in teaching learning process. So let's see how the teacher can solve all the questions, or how can he gather information regarding the teaching learning process. In this diagram, as you can see that there are certain process that involves around the teaching learning process, that is the test, measurement, assessment and evaluation. Through this process, the teacher gather information about the progress of the learner and come to know the strength and weakness of the learner, and according to which the teacher modify or plan his instructional strategy to improve the teaching learning process and make it more effective and useful one. During the process of gathering information about the learner and the teaching learning process, these terms are often used interchangeably. However, these terms have different meaning. So let's see the different meanings of the term test, measurement, assessment and evaluation. Test. A test is a measuring instrument which consists of a set of questions is to be answered by the student. When a test is given, a measure is obtained. After the administration of test, the teacher awards mark according to the correct answer or response, that is called as the process of measurement. So measurement simply is a process of assigning symbol to the result of the test. Then assessment. Assessment is a systematic process of obtaining information about students' learning by using a variety of procedures like test, observation, interview, project, rating of performance, etc. that assess all the aspects of the learner, and it involves the entire process of collecting, recording, scoring, describing and interpreting all the information about the learner. Then come to the point evaluation. Evaluation means making judgment about students' learning. It concerns all the information gathered from measurement and assessment. Evaluation is an act or process that assigns value to a measure. As it is provide value to the measures, it involves both quantitative and qualitative description. So evaluation provides both quantitative and qualitative description of outcome of instruction plus value judgment about the outcomes. Evaluation is a product oriented process, and it makes final judgment about teaching learning process concerning all the data gathered through measurement and assessment. So let's move to know the main purpose of the measurement, assessment and evaluation. The main purpose of measurement is to characterize the status of the learner or level of performance by assigning numerical value to the result of the test, through which we come to know about the progress of the learner and his level of achievement in teaching learning process. Then come to the process of assessment. Assessment provides feedback on performance and areas of improvement of students' learning, as assessment uses a variety of procedures to assess all the aspects of student learning and come to know about the progress of the learner, his pace of learning, his styles of learning, and strength and weakness of the learner. On the basis of student performance, assessment provides feedback and bring improvement in teaching learning process. Then come to the process of evaluation. The main purpose of evaluation is to determine the extent to which objectives are achieved and judge the performance of the students or judge the outcome of the students' learning, and according to which evaluation certifying the people's achievement level or level of achievement is certifying in the process of evaluation. So we have to move on the more details about the process of assessment in education. So let's start. In teaching learning process, we cannot measure or quantify all the aspect of the learner. So to assess all the aspect of the learner or teaching learning process, assessment is carried out by using a variety of procedure. So what is assessment? The definition of assessment. According to the Cambridge Advanced Learner Dictionary 2002, the word assessment comes from the root word assess, which means to judge or decide or determine the importance, size, or value of something. Another definition given by Gronall or Lin, that is, assessment is a term that includes a lot of procedure used to gain information related to students' learning and formation of some value judgment about learning progress. So, to understand the definition, we can say that the assessment is the process of collecting all the information regarding the teaching learning process and make judgment or assess how the teaching learning process is going on and decide how to make improvement in teaching learning process and make it more effective and useful one. So let's see the meaning of the term assessment. Assessment is a process used to gain information about the progress of the student's learning or performance by using a variety of procedures like paper and pencil test, observation, interview, rating of performance for continuous improvement of students and teaching learning process. Assessment provides continuous feedback to both students and teachers regarding the teaching learning process, as assessment provides the information regarding the students' pace of learning, the style of learning, and strength and weakness of the learner. So, as the teacher know about the progress of the students, then he plan or design his teaching learning process for improvement in teaching learning process and make it more effective and useful one. As the process of assessment involves the entire process of collecting, recording, scoring, describing and interpreting all the information about the learner. So it is more comprehensive than measurement and it is diagnostic in nature. Here we can understand the whole process of assessment, as assessment includes both measurement and non-measurement. Measurement is limited to quantitative description of student performance, always expressed in number like a particular student obtained 30 or 40 marks in a particular test. It does not imply the worth or value of the obtained result. On the other hand, assessment includes both quantitative description as well as qualitative description of the performance of the student. In addition, assessment always includes value judgment about the student performance or teaching learning process. So, assessment involves both quantitative description as well as qualitative description regarding teaching learning process plus value judgment means making judgment about teaching learning process. It is how the teaching learning process is. It is good or bad or effective or ineffective. So, this is all about the concept of assessment in education. In our next video, we will discuss the types of assessment in education. Then, thanks for watching this video. Stay happy and stay healthy.